What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alexis K, and today I am back with another natural hair tutorial. So someone actually asked me in the comments in one of my recent videos if I could do a rubber band hairstyle with twist in the back, 2-strand twist. And of course with this kind of style eventually you could take the 2-strand twist out, but my hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned. It's kind of drying up a little bit, so I do need to hurry up and get it popping. For the style, I only plan to really use one product after I put in my base products. So most of you guys know my base products are going to be my growth serum and my growth cream. I'm going to put them in my hair first, and then the only product that I'll be using today is this African Pride Black Castor Miracle Prep and Leave-In Moisture Butter. I'm a low porosity girly, so a little goes a long way for me. Light products go a long way for me, so this is a super light, but this is all I'll be using today. I'm really excited but nervous because rubber band hairstyles, oh my god, I feel like I haven't really done them on my natural hair in a long time. But I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna start moisturizing my hair, and we're gonna get right into it. My hair definitely looks way more fluffier now, but I was trying to figure out where exactly I wanted to start my rubber band design and how far I wanted to go back. So I was thinking like a slanted type thing. This whole section is going to be going this way, and then probably like one more going that way. Alright, so I'm gonna give y'all the method to my madness. So I have done the back row of twists, and what I did was applied my oil to my hair strands first, water, oil, and then the leave-in, and then I braid first and then I do a twist. So I'm gonna continue on. I'm not even back, but I just tied this do-rag around like the top part in my edges. I added in this African Pride non-flaking setting mousse, and I just put it like on the top where the rubber bands and stuff was like. I'm gonna let that like dry with the do-rag on, and then I'm gonna take it off. I am back. It hasn't been long. I just wanted to make sure the top of my head was flat, so I'm just taking the do-rag off, and as you can see, it's a lot more flatter. I'm just gonna let it be for now, and then I'll come back in a little bit when I feel like they're like dry. But it's up to you if you want to stop right here. I don't know if my ultimate goal is to style this as a twist out or what, honestly. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like how this side turned out, but we gonna let it do what it do. I'll just be back. I'll come back in a minute. This is what the finished look is looking like. Definitely can be worn out. I wore this outside literally today while I was walking around and doing what I needed to do, running my errands. Here's my little rubber band design. Nay Jefferson, this style is for you. But personally, I probably would wear this probably for a couple days and then take it out and wear it as a twist out as well. So I'm gonna take it out just for the sake of the video, just for the people who don't feel comfortable wearing it outside or just are curious of what the results will look like once you take it out. So this is what we're working with, and I think it came out pretty cute as a twist out and as a twisted up style. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. I am pretty much done. Of course, my hair is probably gonna get bigger as the days go on. Definitely a super cute style that I would try again. Hopefully I would have better luck with the second side next time, but I think, like I said, it came out super cute. So shout out to Nay. She requested this style, but I hope you guys enjoyed another little natural hair tutorial. Y'all see the hair is growing back. I know that's right. Make sure y'all are shopping my growth products. I am just shy of a year post big chop, and my hair has already grown back longer than what my haircut was before I cut it all off. So shout out to Mimi's hair growth serum and cream, because my products do what it needs to do. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah.